Hi everyone, Chef Petey coming to you from the tropical paradise of Minnesota. We're the land of 10,000 swamps and where the state bird is the big old mosquito. Yep, still in quarantine mode from the coronavirus. Continuing my pandemic video series to teach homebound citizens like you to cook easy to prepared meals to enjoy with your loved ones. By the way, a big shout out to all the doctors and nurses and first responders and all the essential workers that's keeping our economy going. Thank you for your service and for making huge sacrifices in these challenging times. Stay safe and keep healthy. Okay, time to get busy. All right, the ingredients we need today. We have 2 cups of Chinese broccoli or gailan. You can also use bok choy, choy, or napa, or whatever vegetables you have, you can actually put that in. I have 4 cups of chicken broth, or you can use beef broth or just plain old water, but add your chicken base to it. Then I have 8 ounces of the egg noodle. So this is usually found in the refrigerated section in the Asian grocery store. So I have 16 ounces here. I'm just going to use half of this. I have salt, ground pepper powder, and I have 3 slices of ginger, and that's for the broth. Now for the wonton filling, I have 8 jumbo white shrimp, peel and deveined. This is 21 to 25 count. This is 5 ounces. So the way that they weigh the shrimp is there's 21 to 25 shrimp in each pound. That's why they have that number, 21 to 25. This is considered jumbo. 5 ounces of ground pork. You have salt, a half a teaspoon, a pinch of white pepper powder. It's about 1/8 of a tablespoon. About half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. You have 1 egg, and we're gonna have water chestnuts. I'm gonna put water chestnuts inside to have that little extra crunch. And then, of course, we have the wonton skin. I like the thin wrappers. They come in square. Don't get the round ones. Get the square ones. Okay, try to get the thin ones. It's a little bit better than the medium or the thick ones. Okay, let's get preparing. All right. I got my big old cleaver here. All right. You're gonna start with the shrimp, and we're just basically gonna mince this up. Or you can use a food processor. It'll be a little bit easier, but this is my food processor right here. And you're gonna mix in the pork. And then the water chestnuts. Okay, and we'll put it in a pan. Now we're going to marinate it. Okay, you're going to put a half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper powder, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic. We're going to crack an egg, and And we're just gonna put half of it in there. And sesame oil. Just a dash. And just mix it. Okay, now we're gonna make the wontons. There's several ways of doing wontons. I'll show you a couple of ways. You're gonna put maybe an ounce or so of meat right in the center. Then you're gonna put egg on the edges, fold over. Make sure there's no air bubble inside, otherwise it will expand. You fold it like a triangle, okay? Put egg on that one end, and then fold it this way, okay? Alright, so let's put a dab of meat right in the center. Put that egg on the edge, fold, and squeezing out all the bubble. Corner down, egg on the edge of the triangle, fold, so it'll look like this. And you can also do it this way. So basically, you just fold the edge together, so all four corners kind of come up, and you pinch it together up at the top. It's not as pretty, but it'll still work, you know. I just think the other way's looks a little bit better. Alright, we got a pot of hot water right here. It's ready to go. Just gonna put in my vegetables. Gonna blanch that just for a few minutes here. Okay, that looks good. Gonna pull that out. Now we're gonna put our noodles in. Okay, we'll pull that out. Now we put our wontons in. Alright, I got the soup stock on heat. Now we just got to add the ginger and let that cook for a little bit. Now we're going to add the salt, about half a teaspoon. White pepper powder, about an eighth. And a dash of the sesame oil. We're ready to serve. There you guys, right there. For the taste test, a little sriracha. Gotta have sriracha. Okay, hope you get a chance to try this wonton soup recipe out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share. See you next time.